Hello, it's Nick B. One of the things that I always say in comments and when talking to pickers is that every lock picker should have an American 1100 series padlock. They're a bit of a rite of passage padlock, and I got this one recently in a trade with Downfall. Turned out to be a really nice guy, and as I said, over here in the UK, these are relatively rare. We have to sort of chase them down a little bit. But if every lockpicker should have an 1100 padlock, I suppose every YouTuber that does lockpicking videos should pick and gut an 1100. So I thought it was high time. I haven't been able to do any videos for a little while. The ones that I've been putting out are pre-recorded when I've had time. So I thought it was high time to say thanks to Downfall for the trade and letting me have this one, which is an absolutely lovely green colour. Works perfectly. I think I'll be honest, I don't even know if it's new or not. I think it shows sign of being picked previously. The keyway is a little used, but the actual lock itself is pretty much pristine. Just the odd little knock on it. So yeah, really great to have in my collection. So anyway, this is my video of pick and gut of 1100. Enough rambling. Here we go. Hit it. Got the green 1100 in the vise. All working okay. And let's have a go with Tiffany's lockout buster for this. It's supposedly designed specifically for these locks in mind. So let's have a poke about. Nothing on one. Click on two. Click on one. Click on two. Oh, there we go. Now that movement, if you're familiar with an 1100, it's either a very deep false set or we've picked the lock. So hopefully all I need to do now, is turn it. So there we go. That's the 1100 picked. Totally different to 1100s that I've picked before. This seems to be more serrated, so I'm going to be interested to gut this myself now. Let's bring some tools in and just take a little bit of this zoom off. Absolute normal. I might as well explain it just in case this is the first 1100 somebody's seen. You never know. Shackle. Underneath the shackle there's a screw hole that operates that lets the little cover come off, and that little bolt there, and then you get the normal tiny and very greasy 1100 column. I'm going to lock that up because obviously we've got the key. It's been a while since I have gutted an 1100. What does it need? Okay. I'll just drag that round. To there. Block that core. Okay. Wow, this is greasy. Okay, we've got a slight overhang at the front of this lock, so that's the front. Ready for assembling it again. Always use a shim, and this lock is so greasy. I'm just going to push these down just to see how effective. Yeah, every single one needed picking. Wow, it's greasy. I think they're all just going to stay up. So yeah, serrated driver in 1, serrated driver in 2. Sorry, keep in, not driver. Standard keep in 3, serrated in 4, serrated in 5, and as normal for an 1100, no modification to the car. Oh, you can see the grease on my hands from this lock. Okay, and we'll just have a look at the driver pins. Okay, so very light serrations on there, and again actually that was, I've just reached over and taken 4. That's 3, and right down at the back is number 5. And just drop those springs out. They're so greasy. I'm not going to force those springs out. We'll just give you a look at those pins. Very light serrations on some of those. I'll keep in the wrong way round. I've got a zoom that actually enables you to see them. Okay, so yeah, really lightly serrated pins. I've never seen serrations that thin. But anyway, as I said at the beginning, every lockpicker should own an 1100 at some point. So you always try and get one. So every YouTube lockpicker should pick an 1100 on their channel at some point. So thanks to Downfall for sending me this lock. There it is, picked on video, and this is my 1100 picking video. Thanks so much for watching.